Racing just is started. We have Christina. Break quickly at the start as Sikuday Sari outside. Boogie Wonderland in the middle. You belong to me. Barkadahan Storm. Down on the inside is Sugar Priya. And going along for the first turn, we have Christina. By about 5 lengths. And in second is You Belong to Me. Boogie Wonderland in the middle. As Sikuday Sari outside fourth. Then comes Barkadahan Sugar Priya. While Storm now racing in less half-mile distance. Dre traveled. We have Christina high balling in front by about 6 lengths. In second is Boogie Wonderland. And on the outside third comes Asikuda. Barkadahan is lifting down on the inside. Moving up Sugar Priya. You Belong to Me comes next while Storm still racing in less. And on the far turn we have Christina by only a length and a half. Then here comes Barkadahan. Asikuda, Boogie Wonderland in the middle. Sugar Free likewise joining in. And they are now entering the home stretch. It's an anybody's chance. Barkadahan now takes command. Christina is on the outside. Sugar Free in the middle portion. Asikuda, Boogie Wonderland. Last 100 meters we have Barkadahan. Sugar Free is on the outside, but it's still Barkadahan. Sugar Priya, Christina close between Asikuda, Boogie Wonderland, Storm, and You Belong to Me.
3, 2, 1. Yun ang klaro. Dikit